Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. A question I get a lot from people who are permanent residents is, what if I have to stay outside of the United States for an extended amount of time? As you probably know, permanent residents are supposed to be in the United States for at least 180 days out of each calendar year. If they aren't, on return to the U.S., the CBP officer may question them whether they intended to maintain their status in the United States as permanent residents. If you know that you or a family member who is a permanent resident, that is a green card holder, will have to be outside of the U.S. for 6 months or more, one way to protect against this problem is to request a reentry permit. Essentially, the reentry permit is a document that's valid for 2 years that demonstrates your intent to maintain your permanent resident status despite your need to be outside of the United States for an extended period of time. Some of the reasons a person might get a reentry permit is if they need to attend to business abroad, if they have a job abroad, if maybe they or a family member requires medical attention or care abroad. These are also pieces of evidence that you would include together with your request for a reentry permit. One important thing to note, when you apply for your reentry permit, you will need to get biometrics. That means USCIS will need to capture your photograph and your fingerprints. If you've recently had an immigration matter, it could be that USCIS will reuse your prior photo and fingerprints. If you haven't, USCIS may not have captured this information. Nevertheless, even in a situation where you had recent biometrics, we have seen instances where individuals have been called for biometrics. So it is imperative that you be prepared to either remain in the US while awaiting your biometrics appointment, or that you be willing to return to the United States to attend to your biometrics appointment. If you have questions about reentry permits or any other immigration matter, give us a call at 833-848-7838.